Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to turn on Google Play Store security protected on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to simply click on my Play Store right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on Play Protect. Then it's going to take you right there. Next thing you need to do is simply click on Turn On. No harmful app found. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to turn on Play Security Protected on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.